All right, so nuclear fusion. How do stars make energy? Yuri is going to be our volunteer right now. Um, Fusion, you can see it's not a rhyme, it's not a flow, but it helps you know if you can write down fusion and sun, that's how stars make energy. So it's all about gravity, squeezing stuff together. So Yuri's our volunteer. Sorry, Yuri. If you squeeze with gravity, pulling stuff together, it actually makes atoms pop together. So a hydrogen atom is the number one atom. And if you squeeze two hydrogens together with enough gravity, it'll pop them together and turn it into helium, which is the same stuff that is in a balloon, makes it float. So helium is made in stars. Everything is made in stars, actually. Everything that's made of you and me came from a star in the first place. So when you squeeze the hydrogen together, that's star fuel. And if you fuse them together, you make, sorry, those two things actually combine. It's not just sticking the two hydrogens together, but it makes something called helium. So helium is the product. Helium is made. So when a star is really young, it's got a lot of fuel, a lot of hydrogen. And as that star gets squeezed together and all that hydrogen is popping into helium, the helium goes up and hydrogen goes down. And that's how a star makes its energy. So as the star gets older, hydrogen decreases and helium keeps going up. And then eventually what's going to happen is stellar change, which we'll see on another slide, how when hydrogen goes down, helium goes up, the star goes to its next phase. But all stars are making energy with fusion, nuclear fusion, hydrogen into helium. Hydrogen is lighter, helium is heavier because it's two hydrogens. So light stuff turns into heavy stuff, hydrogen into helium, fuel into product or waste. So if you can just really be able to write this down, that's a huge first step in figuring out how stars make their energy and change from one type of star to another type of star.